What actions did you take specifically in that classroom?
So as soon as I heard the 7 gunshots, I immediately turned around. I closed the door, ran into the second ROTC room where we had housed the 90 people that we had brought in. And from there, I just wanted to make sure everyone got into the classroom safely. We lined them up into the wall and along the back of the wall, as well as into a utility closet that we had in the room. And from there, I was standing with my first sergeant, and I said, "First Sergeant Navarro, these are Kevlar, these are bulletproof material. Let's move these in front of everybody."
This debate is now emerging about guns on campus. Do you believe that's something that we should be looking at?
If they got their correct training for it, I think that would be a big beneficial factor into school safety. Just because, I mean, if Coach Feist had had his firearm in school that day, I believe that he could have most likely stopped the threat.
Right, because Coach Feist was a security guard as well as the coach of the football team.
After you put those Kevlar shields up for your classmates, you and some others grabbed 2x4s and fire extinguishers. Ultimately, what are normally not weapons became weapons in that moment.
So once we had the Kevlar sheets in place, we grabbed the 2x4s and the fire extinguisher. So my plan was to have my friend Zachary, he had a second 2x4, and we had tipped 2 tables up, so that was his cover. I was along the wall next to the door, so if that door had opened, my plan was to strike the individual, and then another friend of mine, his name was Giancarlo Correa, I gave him the fire extinguisher. I said, spray that door. Just try to get as much as that fire extinguisher out, just so it kind of disorients him. From that point, I asked him to please roll me the fire extinguisher. That way I could use it as a weapon.